that's why Dr. Martell is so great, because she didn't just treat my symptoms. She sat down with me and she got to the root cause of my problem, and she said, okay, what are we going to do? And she did my tests, and she looked through them all. She's very thorough, very caring. Any questions I had, she answered them. She explained to me what was going on, and so now that I know not only the diagnosis and the word for it, but I know how it's working within me and how I can fix it and what precautions I can take, and just a whole wealth of information. She's just really into empowering the patient and teaching them about themselves, and also getting them to kind of take responsibility for their own health care, but she's always there to help. It's not just like an overnight thing either. So some people might be thinking, oh, this sounds wonderful, but it's great. But just keep in mind that it does take some time. Have to be patient with it, especially with bioidentical hormones, because it's not just overnight, quick fix type of deal. It is you're on them, and there's different methods, but she needs to follow up. She has to be safe. That's like number one. She will do it safely. If you give it the time that it deserves, I have no doubt that you could be helped just like I was. It's integrated. What she does is like the whole body and the person mixed with the regular way of doing medicine. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. She does testing, she does prescriptions, but she also takes care of you as a person, which is it's fantastic. I've never met a doctor who does all that stuff that Dr. Martell does and cares. That's so very important to me, that I observe with her and her patients, but also just with me too, that she really cares. You can tell. She will give you her devoted time, and if she doesn't know something, she will research it. She loves to get to the bottom of things. She will find whatever she can to help you. That's who she is. That's how she is. That's how she runs her practice, and I'm very proud to be a part of this practice that practices like that, that has integrity and value like that, and a doctor who's not afraid to steer away from the norm and kind of, not afraid to care for people is kind of what I'm trying to say.